Hello everyone, how are you doing? Today, I think you have appeared your Assistant Agriculture Officer 2024-25 exam, and let me just briefly discuss the probable answer keys for the paper one. And I do have the set C, so you can correlate your answers accordingly. So I am going to discuss about the probable answer keys for section C of OPSC Assistant Agriculture Officer 2024-25. So if you have any query, if you want to challenge any questions or any probable answer, you can go through any trusted book and you can challenge after the release of answer key by OPSC. These are mostly compiled by using ChatGPT, so I hope you understand. Let's dive into first question. The first question was commercially lychee is propagated by air layering. The right answer will be here, air layering. Uh, Next question, Bordeaux mixture was discovered by PMA Millardet. Okay, he was uh, he discovered Bordeaux mixture, and first it was used for controlling the downy mildew uh, of grapes in vineyard of France. Okay, so next question, Sesamum phyllodes disease is caused by, the most probable answer here is phytoplasma. Phytoplasma, it is the causal organism for Sesamum phyllodes. Next question, the vector yellow vein mosaic of Bhindi is, the vector which transmits yellow vein mosaic virus in Bhindi or okra, that is whitefly. The next answer, bacterial genus having strong proteolytic activity, that is the right answer here will be Erwinia species. The bacterial genus having strong proteolytic activity. See, the explanatory answer keys I will be providing, or I will post it in our dedicated WO group, so you can find it from there only. Next question, the causal agent of Khoira disease of rice, all of you know, that is zinc deficiency, and it is mostly seen in during the nursery stage. Next question, an antifungal antibiotic, which one of the following is one antifungal antibiotic? Most probable answer key is Kasugamycin. Okay. Next question, most of the plant viruses having their nucleic acid as single-stranded RNA or ssRNA. Next question, red rust of mango is caused by, it is caused by algae. So the causal organism here is algal agent. So it is caused by Cephalurus virescens, and it is one algal pathogen. Next question, Iris femini is associated with, all of you know, Iris femini is associated with late blight of potato. The right answer here will be late blight of potato, and the causal organism is Phytophthora infestans. Next question, the pathogen of white rust of mustard belongs to, which order? The right answer here is Peronosporel, and the causal organism is Albugo candida. The white rust of mustard is caused by Albugo candida, which belongs to order Peronosporel. Next question, the pathogen causing black rot of crucifer generally enters into the host through, the pathogen causing black rot of crucifer generally enters into the host plant through hydathodes. It is mostly enters through to the host plant through hydathode and wounds. Next question, which option does not fall under cultural control of insect? Which option does not fall under cultural control of insect? Here the right answer will be bagging. Bagging is not a cultural control. It can be one of the physical or mechanical control. The crop rotation, tillage, and weeding, these are cultural control. Next question, androconia found in the wings of some insects. Those are androconia are mainly the specialized scales. Androconia are mainly the specialized scales. Next question, which stored grain phase require lowest moisture content for survival? The right answer here will be Capravitil or Trogoderma granarium. The right answer here will be Trogoderma granarium. Next question, tomato pinworm belongs to family. Tomato pinworm belongs to family Gelecidae. Tomato pinworm, the scientific name is Tuta absoluta, that is belongs to family Gelecidae. Next question. Rosetting of flowers in cotton is due to. Rosetting of flowers in cotton is due to pink bollworm. Pink bollworm. Okay, Pectinophora gossypiella. Scientific name of pink bollworm is Pectinophora gossypiella. Next, the non-hymenopteran parasitoid recommended for pest management is. The non-hymenopteran parasitoid recommended for pest management, that is Epipyropos species. Epipyropos species. Okay. All others are like Apantelis and Brachymeria. Then the Pachycrepoids. These are hymenopteran species. Non-hymenopteran is Epipyropos, which is uh, coming under Lepidoptera. Then Physapodan insects are basically thrips are also known as Physapodan insect. So uh, yeah. Next question. From a crop damage function, y is equal to 729.5 minus 425 x square plus 3.5 x, then find the unit insect damage per unit area, where y is in kg per hectare and x is in insect damage. So here the question is like, if the insect population is increasing 1 unit, then how much kg of crop damage will be there? So the right answer here will be uh, 3 okay. So the right answer here will be 5 kg per hectare. Here the right answer will be 5 kg per hectare. I have already attached the PDF of this solution in the AAO group. You can check it out. Next question. Again, another solution, like calculation type question. Find the economic injury level EIL of BPH if an average of 20 hoppers per hill cost 500 kg per hectare yield loss. The cost of management and market price were 3000 rupees per hectare and rupees 1500 per quintal respectively, and efficiency of chemical treatment is 80%. So again, this is a calculation, complex calculation, and you have to. So here the right answer will be like probable answer will be 10 hoppers per hill. 10 hoppers per hill. Next, higher threshold level in pest management is practiced for. Higher threshold level in pest management is practiced for crops having high compensatory ability. Crops having high compensatory ability. This will be the most probable answer. Then damage boundary is the lowest level of injury which caused damage boundary is the lowest level of injury which caused measurable damage. Which caused measurable damage. That damage we can measure. Then cry for help theory in tritropic interaction shows positive interactions in between. Try Cry for help theory in tritropic interaction shows positive interaction between both host and predator. Both host and predator. Next question. If the discharge rate of nozzle is 30 liters per hour, what with normal stretched arm is 200 centimeter and speed of the operator is 3 kilometer per hour, then required volume per hectare, that is coming 50 liter. So after calculation you will get this is 50 liter, but here maybe 500 liter will be the answer. uh, so here maybe that is a mistake. And so I have put the solution in the shared PDF in AAO group, so you can check it out. Next question. Reducing the width of a bond is a common practice to combat which infestation in the field? Reducing the width of the bond is a common practice for controlling Bandicotta bengalensis. Bandicotta bengalensis, and that is Indian bandicoot rat. So basically, rat is controlled by reducing the bond width. Next question. Smoothing of your head in paddy is the damage symptom of what? Smoothing of your head of paddy is the damaging symptom of Leptocoryza acuta. Leptocoryza acuta, that is rice earhead bug. Next question. Dark spiral streak on cane rind is found to be made of serious punctures lying side by side like beads in a rosary symptom is caused by which of the following uh, causal organism? That is Scirphovaga nivella. Scirphovaga nivella. Okay, that is called top shoot borer. So next question, the giant cell formation in infected plants root is due to the giant cell formation in infected plant root is due to meloidogyne species, that is root not nematode. Next, Heterodera avena is a Heterodera avena is a which type of nematode? That is a cyst nematode. Next, onion blot disease is caused by Ditilencus dipsaki. Next question, non-domesticated species of silkworm that produces Chinese tusser, that is Antheracia perni. Antheracia perni. This one. The right answer, the probable answer will be Antheracia perni. Next, the weight of cocoon required to produce a kilogram of raw silk is called, it is called Noel. Next, a silk filament of 1000-meter length and weighing 28 centimeter, then the estimated denier of the filament is, the right answer here will be 25.2 denier it is coming. So the most appropriate, I think, why there is point decimal problem here, I don't know, but the calculation part I have shared again, I'm telling. So the right answer, most probable answer here will be 2.52 will be the probable answer. Next, on degummed silk thread spun by the silkworm, it consists of two filaments that are cemented together by silk sericin is called as, it is called as BAV. BAV. Next, black spots on the lateral body aspects of the infected silkworm larva is due to infection of the bacteria. It is due to infection of bacteria, and it is commonly caused by Serratia marcescens. Then cutting followed by planting of a new sapling of trees is called reforestation. It is called reforestation. So you first cut the tree and again you plant sapling. That is called reforestation. Production of woody plants combined with pasture, that is called silvipastoral system. Silvi means woody plant and pastoral means the grasses or fodder crops. That is silvipastoral system. Then one of the most common feature noticed in forest area is that is ecological succession. Okay. All others, poor diversity index you cannot find in forest area. It is having high diversity index. Then highly productive, it is not the, I mean, in all the cases forest is not highly productive. Ecological needs shift, then that is also hard to find. So ecological succession here will be the right answer. Which one of the following is not a greenhouse gas? The right answer here will be hydrogen. See, carbon dioxide, methane and nitrous oxide all are greenhouse gases. Which among the following is used for artificial rain making? Here all the answer will be, all of the options are correct. Silver iodide is used for like cold cloud seeding. Then sodium chloride and even dry ice for warm cloud seeding. Next, which one of the following is day neutral plant? The right answer will be cotton. Again, maize can also be considered as day neutral, but why this type of ambiguous questions are there? I don't know. But here most probable answer will be cotton. Next question, line connecting between the places with equal sunshine hours. The right answer here will be isohel. Okay, the line connecting the places with equal sunshine hour, that is isohel. Next question, out of total radiation received by the earth from the sun, the waves significant to plant life, they are visible, UV and infrared. For plant these three radiations are useful, I mean significant. Radio waves nothing to do with plants, and yeah, radio waves, these are nothing to do with the plants, so that will not be the correct answer. In weather satellite, the sensor mainly used is, in weather satellite the sensors mainly used both line scan and microwave band. Then doldrums are low pressure area near the equator. Doldrums are low pressure area near the equator. Next question, Which tillage implement is suitable for breaking the hard pan formed as plow soil? So mostly the hard pan is broken by the chisel plow. So here you might be having one doubt is this is mainly chisel plow is taken for breaking of hard pan in subsoil area, subsoil layer. But this is here it is mentioned plow sole layer. So how it can be, but hard pan cannot be broken by either blade harrow or MB plow or indigenous plow. So the most appropriate answer here will be chisel plow. Next question, a tillage system when 15 to 30% soil surface remains under crop residue cover after planting, that is called reduced tillage. Okay. In intensive tillage, that is a clean tillage, less than 15% is maintained. Zero tillage, it's a conservation type of tillage, and zero tillage as well as conservation tillage where more than 30% residue can be maintained, and reduced tillage 15 to 30% residue you have to maintain. The crop known as pseudo cereal. The right answer will be all of the above. Amaranthus cruentus, Phagoparan esculentum, that is called buckwheat, and Chinopodium quinoa, that is quinoa. All of these are known as pseudo cereals. Next question. Which one of the following nutrient element plays essential role in pollen tube germination, that is boron? Which of the essential nutrient that is help in pollen tube germination? The right answer here will be boron. Okay. Next question. Nutrient element that plays beneficial role in sugarcane but not essential nutrient. The nutrient element that is beneficial for sugarcane and not essential for a nutrient element, that is silicon. Okay. So sugarcane and rice are mainly called siliceous plant because they require silicon for, I mean silicon is beneficial for them for strengthening the stem, but they are not essential element, remember. Next question, which one of the following fertilizer supplies secondary nutrient along with primary nutrient, that is single superphosphate? It also supplies sulfur and calcium. Single superphosphate is around along with 16% P2O5, it also supplies 11 to 12% sulfur. Next question, for which category of the flowering plants the available soil water decreases gradually from field capacity to permanent wilting point, resulting into gradual decrease in yield? The most appropriate answer will be upland crops like maize in sandy loam soil. Next question, in which method of irrigation evaporation loss of water minimized considerably by adopting land configuration? See here the question is land configuration. So here the right answer here will be ridge and furrow. Because within the furrow you can narrow down the furrow and the evaporation loss you can check. But sprinkler method, if your answer is sprinkler method, so because sprinkler method we are throwing the water as rain and minute sprinkling water is falling over the head, so the evaporation chances is higher there in sprinkler irrigation. Next question, which one of the following instrument is used to know the right time of applying irrigation to field crops grown in non-saline sandy loam soil? The right answer here will be tensiometer. Next question, which one of the following herbicide is commonly used for pre-emergence application in upland crop? The right answer will be pendimethalin. Pendimethalin is a pre-emergence herbicide. It is also known as tailor-made herbicide. The ratio between total cropped area and actual net cultivated area, here the question is a little bit, I mean, twisted, or I don't know, this is incorrect actually. So the here the question is asked like this ki, out of the total cultivated area how much percentage of cultivated area is, or out of the gross cropped area the net cropped area is the percentage of net cropped area that is called cropping intensity. Okay. And next, the practices that is meant for mid-season correction as the contingent management to overcome moisture stress due to the dry spell in dryland agriculture. See, all of these can be done, like urea, applying urea, stop dressing, thinning of plants, resowing and gap filling, that can be also done. So all of these will be the right answer. Next question, all decisions and activities of a farming system emanate from, all decision and activities of a farming system uh, emanate from, that is, what will be the answer? The farm household. Okay, the farm household. Then yearly sequence and special arrangement of crops and crop and fallow on a given piece of land. Uh, it is the direct definition of cropping pattern. Okay, cropping pattern. If you know the definition of cropping pattern, you can answer this. A rotation of arable crops requiring annual cultivation and artificial pasture occupying field for 2 years or longer, that is called lay farming. In lay farming, we grow generally pasture crops. So the right answer here will be lay farming. Next, which one of the following is the key underlying issues in the concept of sustainable agriculture? Here the most appropriate answer will be intergenerational equity. Intergenerational equity. Next, which one of the following sets of agricultural practices could be ideal to achieve sustainable agriculture? You can yourself know. Zero tillage, crop residue retention, and crop rotation. The right answer will be zero tillage plus crop residue retention and crop rotation. Next question, principle of health, ecology, fairness, and care. These four basic principles of organic agriculture, it was proposed by IFOM, International Federation on Organic Agriculture Movement. Then next question, on which aspect the organic certification is different from other certification? That is, here in organic certification, we do process certification. Whatever process we are following in the farm, that should be certified. Okay. Next question, which one of the following accreditation program has been formulated by the government of India for the certification of organic farming and has been recognized by many countries, that is NPOP. Next, what is the duration of conversion period for the establishment of a certified organic farm? That is 2 to 3 years. The right answer will be 2 to 3 years. Which one of the following type of planting material is completely prohibited in certified organic farming? The right answer here will be genetically engineered seed, transgenic plants, and plant materials. Which one of the following practice does not address management of soil fertility in a certified organic farm? Which one of the following practice does not address management of soil fertility in a certified organic farm? That is cultivation of shallow rooted crop. In no way it can improve the soil fertility. Which one of the following growth stage of rice is most sensitive to nitrogen deficiency? That is panicle initiation. What is the seed rate of transplanted rice? What is the seed rate of transplanted rice? The most appropriate answer will be 20 kg per hectare. Which one of the following growth stage of wheat is most sensitive to soil moisture and nitrogen supply? The right answer will be crown root initiation. Next question, in which of the following cereal crops earthing up is generally an essential practice, particularly when cultivated in rainy season? That is maize will be the appropriate answer. Subhra and Kripa are the variety of Subhra and Kripa. These are the variety of lentil. Okay. Next, which one of the following is the most important agrotechnique for the cultivation of Rabi pulse crop in India, particularly under rain-fed condition? That is the time of sowing or timely sowing. Next, which combination of the following fertilizers should be more useful in oilseed crop? That is urea, SSP, and MOP. Because from SSP you will get sulfur along with the phosphorus, so it will help in synthesizing more oil. Which mango variety is suitable for high density planting? That is Amrapali. Amrapali. Cultivated strawberry is cultivated strawberry is that is octaploid in nature. Vegetative propagation of date palm is through vegetative propagation of date palm is through it is through suckers. Okay. Then indicator plant for Tristeza virus. Indicator plant for Tristeza virus, that is Citrus aurantifolia. Citrus aurantifolia. Okay. Next question. Guava is generally trained in which system? Guava is generally trained in modified central leader system. Sapota is commercially propagated by inarcing. Among the following, which is the best planting material for banana? Among the following, which is the best planting material for banana? That is sword sucker. The inception of ripening in grapes is termed as the inception of ripening in grapes. It is termed as skin tanning phase. Next, pegging is an important growth stage and is found in which crop? That is groundnut. The distance between two rows of sugarcane planted in autumn season is generally that is 75 centimeter. The dormancy of seed tuber of potato can be broken with the treatment of thiourea with gibberellic acid. What should be the right stage of harvesting jute crop for better quality as well as higher yield of jute fiber, that is flowering stage? Next question. What is the seed rate of fodder maize sown by broadcast method? It is around 60 kg per hectare. If you are line sowing, then that might be 40 kg per hectare, and 80 kg will be too high, because again maize is and the seed is highly costly. So 60 kg will be more appropriate. Disease-free planting in micropropagation can be obtained from meristem culture. Example of an aggregate fruit, that is custard apple. Pusa nonha dwarf variety of papaya that is developed through mutation. Onion is propagated by, all of you know, it is propagated by bulb. Pusa early synthetic, Pusa early synthetic is the variety of, Pusa early synthetic is the variety of cauliflower. Black eye rot is associated with, black eye rot is buck eye rot, it is associated with tomato. Kochia is a which type of crop? Kochia is a foliage crop actually, and it is a summer season annual foliage crop. Summer season annual foliage crop. Next question. Josia japonica is used mainly in lawn. Josia japonica is mainly used in lawn. Degreening of citrus fruit is done by the application of ethylene. The physiological disorder Kalix splitting. The physiological disorder Kalix splitting. Uh, it is associated with which flower? That is carnation. Next, white flowered gourd is also known as, that is ash gourd. Okay, so this is the paper 1, and paper 2 I'm uploading a little bit later. I mean, till now I have not received the question paper, so I will prepare and I will post it. And I have uploaded the solution part, I mean the numerical section as well as explanation part in the WO dedicated WO group, so you can refer to that as well. And if you want to wait for the official answer sheet, then you can wait for another like 7-10 days, so that you can cross check your answers with the official answer key, and uh, prepare your answer keys from trusted websites and books, reference books, textbooks, so that you can challenge the official answer keys with your answer if you have any query or doubt, or you want to challenge the official answer key. Regarding the cutoff score, from my point of view, I have seen the question, and for the first paper, paper 1, I think the cutoff, uh, if you are scoring 40% around, then you are good to go. I mean, you can be selected for interview. From my point of view, I am telling it because the question level is little bit harder. And from protection part, most of the questions from paper 1, it was asked from protection part, and even those questions are a little bit, I mean, deeper. I mean, in normal general agriculture books, whatever you're reading, you cannot find this type of question. So uh, I believe if you are scoring 40% and above, it is good to go for paper 1. Let's see in paper 2 what type of questions has been asked. So yeah, if you found anything to say, I mean any challenge or any other answer key, then you can share the in the comment section, so that other students also can interact and can thorough their doubts as well. See you in the next video. Till then, have a great day.